everyone, it's Gigi, and this is my last entry to my giveaway challenge, and it's from Colleen Frankowski. Hi Colleen, I haven't spoke to you in a while, hun. So let's open and see. Let me put it off to the side. Okay, here's a card. Am I going to be able to open it? Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. I need scissors. Okay, got it. Oh, how cute! That is so cute. So it says, "How happy birthday" with some frogs. That is so stinking cute. Okay, let me see. Gigi, I hope you had a wonderful birthday. I'm changing my YouTube name to Leaping Into Journals from Crafty Jima. Hugs and blessings, Colleen, Leaping Into Journals. My favorite YouTube channel is Johanna Clow. She inspired me to make journals. Oh, that's awesome. Okay, I'll have to check that out. And she put, oh my goodness. Guys, how adorable. Okay, she made me a journal. There's a sunflower down here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. How cute. Oh, sorry, can you all see that? Let me move this box over. Oh my gosh, I love this, Colleen. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So darn cute. Oh look, she did like little, so you can do notes in here too. Oh, I love this. Oh, I'm gonna treasure this. Thank you so much. Okay, I wanna look at everything. I'm trying to be able to see it as well. Oh, I love it. Oh, this is so cute. You are very good at making journals, Colleen. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. Oh, I love it so much. This is awesome. And it looks like she stained, tea dyed and stuff the paper. Or is this one stuck? I don't want to tear it. Okay. And another little tuck spot. Pure Comb Honey, R.M. Cooper, Huntington, Arkansas. Pure extracted honey. The honey was gathered from raspberry bloom in Michigan and is known as the famous Michigan raspberry honey. Warranted pure honey. Oh, I love this. Look at that lace, guys. That is so pretty. Oh, I stuck that in the wrong place. What am I doing? I think I stuck it in the wrong place. Okay, maybe it was over here. I don't even remember now. I'm gonna have to rewatch the video. Oh, this is so nice. I love it. Oh, how cute. And then she has little tickets in here. I'm sorry, guys, I have to go through it. It's just gorgeous. to share it. Oh my gosh. You did a lot of work on this. Oh, I appreciate it so much. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. And here's some more. Oh, look at this fabric. Oh, look, she has one of those, that looks like one of the charms I just got. This is so cute. And look, it like flips. Put that back in. Oh, so pretty. Oh, look at this one. Admit one. That is so cute. Oh, I love that. Some more lace. This is so cute. Believe in yourself. I love that. Oh, I love this so much. I'm sorry I keep saying that. I just really do. Okay, it says honeybees, and then there's some stuff in here. Some cards. This is so stinking cute. Some more. I love this. I'm gonna have to show my husband. Okay, let me get it back in. Oh, there's some more tuck spots. These ephemera pieces are so cool. Oh, I love it so much. Colleen, thank you from the bottom of my heart. I can tell you worked really hard on this. Look how gorgeous, guys. And then it has that little sunflower charm with it too. I love it. Thank you so, so much. Okay, I love you guys. Bye.